Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're going to paint a peaceful sunset lakeside scene filled with warm colors, glowing reflections, and a quiet fishing moment that captures the beauty of nature. Let's get started. I begin by creating our colorful evening sky. Using a mixture of blue and red, I paint the upper part of the canvas. As I move downward, I gradually add more white to soften and lighten the color. Then I continue adding a little more red and white, creating a smooth transition toward the horizon. As we get closer to the horizon, I introduce warm orange tones to capture the beautiful glow of the setting sun. I also paint a few small scattered clouds across the sky. Using a lighter version of the same colors, I gently highlight the clouds so they appear soft, illuminated, and full of depth. Once the sky is complete, I paint the distant shoreline between the horizon and the lake. These distant landforms are kept soft and slightly blurred to create a strong sense of atmospheric perspective. Now it's time to paint the water. Since the lake is reflecting the sky, I begin with the brightest colors near the horizon and gradually make the water darker as it comes toward the foreground. I carefully blend the colors together to create smooth reflections. Before we continue, I'd love to hear from you. Please tell me in the comments where you're watching from and what makes you enjoy my painting videos. Is it the peaceful atmosphere, the step-by-step process, the colors, or simply the love of art? I always enjoy reading your comments and connecting with viewers from around the world. I also add the distant reflections of the shoreline across the lake. On one side of the painting, I use a dark green mixture made from blue, yellow, and a touch of black to paint clusters of trees and bushes. Their reflections are softly mirrored in the water, making the lake feel calm and realistic. On the opposite side, a little closer to the viewer, I paint a small wooden dock extending over the water. A dark reflection of the dock is added beneath it, while the top surface is highlighted slightly to catch the warm evening light. At this stage, paying attention to perspective is very important. Correct angles and proportions help make the dock feel three-dimensional and believable. Next, I paint a large tree hanging into the scene from the top corner of the canvas. I start with dark green tones for the foliage, then continue building the branches naturally across the composition. In the foreground, I add bushes and tall grasses around the edge of the lake. Using a liner brush, I paint long, individual blades of grass and then apply lighter highlights to areas touched by the sunset, giving them a fresh, lively appearance. Using a fine brush and a very dark color, I carefully paint the silhouette of a man sitting on a chair at the end of the dock, peacefully fishing. I add a few subtle highlights to one side of his figure to separate him slightly from the background, while still keeping the silhouette effect. Then I paint the curved fishing rod stretching gracefully over the lake, creating a beautiful leading line that draws the viewer's eye through the composition. Don't forget to paint the reflection of the fisherman in the water. These reflections help tie everything together and make the scene feel much more realistic. Finally, I finish the painting by adding the last small details and highlights wherever they're needed. I hope you enjoyed painting along with me and found this tutorial both relaxing and inspiring. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment telling me where you're watching from. I always love hearing from viewers around the world. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next painting tutorial. Happy painting!